Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you are doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website. It's called GiftHunterClub. Okay, maybe you landed on this website because you saw it on social media, or maybe you saw it advertised somewhere else. You came here and you're like, can I actually make money and get prizes fast for just doing a bunch of stuff on the website, right? And there are lots of websites like this. Like you can watch videos, you can give them your opinion. You can consume videos and audios and text, and you can share them with friends as well. And they've paid just under $500,000 worth in prizes to people that have been on this site, which is not bad, okay? Now, GiftHunterClub is called a GPT website, get paid to do something. Now, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of these websites. Some of them are legitimate, some of them are completely fake and are scams, and others kind of hover somewhere in the middle. So let's talk about GiftHunterClub, whether this is legit, and how you can make money from this website, and is it worth your time? All right, I'm going to show you a better way at the end of this video, so stick around, where you can generate way more commissions online if that's what you want to do, okay? Now, GiftHunterClub is pretty cool. It's a legitimate GPT website. You can sort of come on here and you can get started for free. Okay, you could just register with your email right there, right? And you can do a few things. So you can watch videos, you can take part in surveys, and you can download offers and watch ads, okay? And you can share this with friends as well. Now, the way that it works is once you're logged in, you can start to take some surveys, but with every single survey there are pre-qualification questions, and a lot of the times you'll get rejected from the surveys because they're looking for a specific type of person. For example, they want someone from a specific country, or they want someone from a specific age group, or someone from a specific background, or someone with a specific occupation. So you're going to take a lot of time filling out the pre-qualification questions, and then you get booted out of the survey. Now, if you do get to fill out the survey successfully, then you only get paid roughly about 24 cents per survey through GiftHunterClub. So it's not that much money, all right? The other thing is that you can't sit there and fill out, 100 or 200 surveys a day. That's not how it works. There will be a limit where they will say, oh, that's it, you can't fill out any more pre-qualifications. And then the other problem is you're not going to qualify for a lot of the surveys most of the time. So, how many surveys can you successfully fill out every single day? Probably only 1 or 2, maybe 3. So you're not really earning that much money, okay? So that's already, maybe 50 cents, 75 cents there, okay? Then after that, you spend all your time downloading offers and watching videos, all right? But for every single video that you watch, you're literally making 1/10 of 1 cent, okay? That means that you have to watch 10 videos before you make 1 cent. So you are making money, but you're making very, very little money, all right? And then you download the offers. Some offers will pay you a little bit more money. Some offers will require you to spend your own money on your own credit card before they give you back that money. So remember to cancel some of these offers because they will charge you automatically in 30 days. So you just have to be careful about that. And that's pretty much it, okay? And then what happens is you add up all these points, and you need roughly about 250 points in order to withdraw $2, $2 US, all right? Now that's the thing that I do like about GiftHunterClub, is that their threshold to withdraw is very low. All right, so you only need up to $2 or 250 points in order to withdraw, and you can withdraw to either PayPal, or you can have a few different gift cards like the Amazon gift card, the PlayStation gift card, and you can even withdraw through Bitcoin, which is pretty cool. So you don't need to wait until like $10 or $20 like some other GPT sites, which could take you months, by the way. All right, so the threshold is pretty low, which is pretty cool. And you can withdraw your $2. I would do it through PayPal, to be honest, because you just get that money straight away. But it does take a little bit of time. So let's kind of do the math, roughly how much time it'll take to make $2, right? So if you fill out maybe 2 surveys a day, that's 50 cents. And then you literally have to watch hundreds and thousands of videos in order for you to make up the rest, okay? So it might take you maybe a week or 3 or 4 days, depending on how much time you're spending on this website, to get the $2. All right, so that's a lot of time. I mean, on average, maybe your per hourly pay rate is about 50 cents to 80 cents per hour. It's very, very low. All right. Now, it's not to say that GiftHunterClub doesn't pay out money. They do pay out money, and they really have paid out $416,000 to their users all over the world. But the thing is, it's a gift GPT website. It's a GPT site. They're not designed to make you rich. They're designed to make you a little bit of money, teeny weeny bits, pennies on the dollar, a couple of cents here, a couple of cents there, for the effort that you put onto the website. I mean, it's 100% free. You don't have to pay anything for the site. It's a low skill site. That means you don't need any specific skills to make money from the website, which is why they don't pay you that much money, okay? But is it legit? Yes. Can you make money from them? Yes. Is the threshold low? Yes. So it's a pretty cool website if you just want to come on here and make a teeny weeny bit of money. Okay, so that's kind of the review for Gift Hunter Club. I think it's a 100% legitimate website. Do I think it's the best way to make money online? No, absolutely not. Okay, I've been marketing online for 14 plus years now, and I think that, look, if you're going to be spending an hour or 2 or 3 hours a day on a website, you may as well be spending it on a website where you're making way more income than that. Okay, so if you would like to learn how to make the big money, we're talking about full-time income, 5 figures a month, 6 figures a year, millions of dollars a year. I would love to show you how to do that. All right, all you need to do is just go ahead and click the link below, register for my free 6-figure workshop, and I'm going to show you the way that I've learned how to do it over actually quite a long period of time. I've tried all sorts of different things online, and this is the best way to earn big income full-time from home using just the power of your computer. So I hope you enjoyed this review. Take care, all the best to you, and I hope to see you in the workshop when you register below. See you on another video. Take care.